Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial we will learn about how to make a smart Arduino based car parking system within the Proteus. So first of all you must know that Arduino is not an integral part of the Proteus. So in order to use the Arduino, first you should have to download the library of the Arduino from the Google and then paste that library into the library folder of the Proteus. Uh, and where the library folder of the Proteus is located, it is you must go to like your program files, then lab center, and then Proteus set, and then in that folder you will see the library folder. Like okay, or you can Google it that how you can add the Arduino Uno library into the what's called as the Proteus. So it will help you out. Also, one more thing that we are also using some PIR sensors and cars components. So for it, you have to, or even with Arduino and car and PIR sensor, you have to download the file whose link is given in the description. So you can uh, do the project with this file because the components are associated with this file. So you have to download the file whose link is given in the description and then it will work properly. So now we will come towards our uh, what's called as the components, so Arduino, and we will take our Arduino Uno. So this our Arduino Uno. So can we search it properly? That is the Arduino Uno. So here is our Arduino. You can use any of the Arduino, okay? It's not a problem. So okay, now we will take our car one. This our car one. Okay, we can place it here. Right click on it, rotate like this. Okay, now again we will take car two. Okay, now right click on it and it's X mirror. Okay, and then car three. So this our car three. So rotate X mirror and like this. Okay, so also right click on it, double click on it and click on attach hierarchy module. Again double click on the second car, then tick on attach hierarchy module and then press OK. Do it for the third car as well. Okay, now for to uh, find or detect the cars we need our PIR sensor. So this is our PIR sensor. We need to take it, we need to connect it with the out one, second one also with out two. Okay, make them in line as well like this, and this one and this one. Okay, now you need to connect the power pin with the VCC pin of the what's called as the PIR sensor, like this one and this one. Now you also need to take the ground and connect with the ground pin of the PIR sensor. Okay, so okay, now what about out pin? Okay, we can do one more thing, that we can connect sorry, with this we can connect it with the Arduino pin. Okay, how we can connect it? Okay, we can write it like here 0 or 0, and also here with pin number sorry, A0. Connect it like this. Okay, this is the connectors. These are the actually connectors through which we can connect some pins with each other, which are like uh, very far lying. Because it is 0 is here, then we can write here 0, then here as 1, and here is 2. Okay, so here also 0 and 1, and here we also need to put one more distant connector. This is 2. Okay, and so now the 0 is connected with 0, and 1 is with 1, and 2 is with 2, and all of them are connected with A0, A1 and A2 pin of the Arduino. Okay, now we also need to take one serial monitor, and serial monitor in Proteus it is called as the virtual terminal. So okay, so RxD of virtual terminal must be with the TXT of the Uno and TXT with the RxD of the Uno. So it is also called as virtual terminal, which is in hardware. In Arduino IDE it is called a serial monitor, and in Proteus it is the virtual monitor or virtual terminal. So you can, okay, now we will attach hierarchy module like this and like this as well. Okay, now we need to do one more thing, and that is we will go to our Arduino. Okay, so this is our code. Okay, it will you can see all its code. It's not so much lengthy, so you can write it at your own as well. Again, see it with pin A0, A1 and A2. It will tell us either the car arrived or not. Okay, it is compiled. Okay, the code is compiled, or we can again compile it, no problem. So after the compilation is done, we need to copy this hex file, this one, control C, oh sorry, this one, and we will put it here. Okay, so now we will run it. Car 0 not arrived and car 1 not arrived and all this. Okay, one more thing that we also need to put logic state like here, okay, and here and here. So 3 cars. Okay, so car 1, car 2, car 3 not arrived, then car 1, car 2 and car 3. Okay, usually these logic states sometimes do not use to work properly, so we can, yeah, because Arduino do not use to take this logic one is 5 volt, although it is 5 volt. So we can go for some other process like push button with 5 volt. Okay, so that thing can work more properly. Yes, like this one, this DC volt and this DC volt and DC volt, and then we will take our SPST or push button. So push button active, and this thing connected like this. Okay, like this, and this push button with this, sorry, with this, and the other pin with this one, and they can be like 5 volts. Yeah, 5 volt will be okay. So this is also 5 volt, and this is also 5 volt. Okay, oh, sorry, it's a double click on it, and okay, then it's problematic. So it is needed to be 5 volt, so we will run it. Car 1 not arrived, car 2 and car 3, so we will, so car 1 arrived, car 2 and car 3 not arrived, then we will click on this. So car 1 and car 2 arrived, car 3 not arrived, then this is, so car 1, car 2, car 3 is arrived, all the cars are arrived. Now we will off the second car, and it is not arrived, so it's working fine. So hopefully you got the concept regarding the smart car parking system using Arduino within the Proteus. So you can download this file from the link in the description. And one more thing, uh, your comments will be answered at the same day or within a few hours. So if there is any sort of what's called as the confusion or difficulty, you can ask me. So I will reply in you in comment section. So thanks for visiting our channel.